Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing a review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I'm going to do a review and a demo because I want you guys to be able to see this product that is out. I want to say it's been out for a long time now. I'm just getting up into the now about it. So you guys, I'm going to do a review and demo for you guys today. Do that, you guys, I have been getting some subscribers / people randomly coming on to my channel, sneaking and dissing on my channel, and I don't appreciate it. I am a content creator and I absolutely love creating content for you guys, people who want to learn about beauty and fashion, and just get like a motivational, positive, vibe all over. So if you're coming onto my page and you're leaving negative comments, or if you're giving me thumbs down for absolutely no reason, you're a hater and I dismiss you. Have several seats. Now we can get back into the video, you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click the subscribe button, and that's also you are alerted when I do upload videos, you guys. Okay, you guys, so first of all, this is my first time trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I have been wanting to try a variety of different foundations because I have oily skin, and I have particularly been going with matte foundation because it gives me the most full coverage, and it also stills in the oiliness that's in my skin. But when I seen that Ulta had the foundation stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I had to get it because I have been wanting to try one of their palettes or some of their products for the longest time. So you guys, I picked it up. It was only like $12.50. It's originally like 25 bucks, which is not bad for a higher end foundation stick. I think it's really, really reasonable. It's very inexpensive if you wanted to go pick it up. So yeah, you guys, so I'm going to swatch it. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this pretty, like, black. It's almost like an elegant with Anastasia Beverly Hills on it with some nice little rose gold wordings there. It's really pretty chic, very cute and savvy. And I got the color caramel. Now you guys, originally I wanted to do a full face with this, but I think I went too light in color. I was just trying to test it on my face, and I don't know how it's going to look just by itself. So you guys, I may do a full face with another foundation, but use this as my highlight to get to see how the coverage is for that. So instead of doing that, you guys, as also doing that, I got the brow dip. I have never tried their brow dip. I've used it on models doing a photo shoot, but I've never tried it on myself personally, and I'm always looking for new eyebrow enhancers and whatever to try out. So we're going to do the brows first. As you see, it's not even done yet. I normally start with brows, but we're going to start with the brows first, you guys, and we're going to move on to foundation. So this is what the eyebrow dip looks like, you guys. It is so fancy. Like, it's like glass. If you can hear it, it's like glass. I'm gonna do ASMR. It's like glass. The logo Anastasia Beverly Hills, the A there. I got the color in ebony, you guys. This is so chic. Like, this is fancy. I wonder if Chanel or Chanel has this like type of look. This is really nice, you guys. And so on the inside, it looks just like this, like a pomade, you guys. What is a pomade? And so it's going to be like a more of a thicker consistency. I'm going to use my normal brush that I use, you guys, my eyebrow brush. And I'm going to just dip it in, and I'm just going to do my brows like I normally would. I can honestly tell you a little goes a long way, you guys, because that is way too much. I'm going to brush that out a little bit. It is so thick and it's so rich in color. I'll be looking like a drag queen. Alright, you guys, so now that I have my brows all done up, I'm going to clean that up here in a second. We're going to move on to our foundation. I'm just going to touch up on some spots. Actually, you guys, I'm going to prime my face first. I do have oily skin, but I do have a new, face cleanser and face, stuff that I'm using right now. So I'm actually going to do a video about that, you guys, sometime this week, to show you guys my summer face routine, because it has definitely changed. It's hotter outside and you need to keep your face more protected, sunscreen, and just altogether clean, because your face can get really dirty and clogged with oil and everything, debris from outside. So you guys, I'm going to be doing that routine coming up here soon, but until then, we're going to do this oil mist primer control, you guys. This is by e.l.f. I don't know if it works. I hope it works. I think it works. It looks like water, but so that's going to prime my face. I don't like to put any oils or moisturizers on my face before putting on my foundation, because I do have oily skin and I do not want that to come through my makeup. Alright, you guys, so we're going to get into this foundation stick. I've already added on a foundation base. Like I told you guys earlier in the video, I am going to use this stick as a concealer because I got maybe a shade lighter than what I should have gotten. By accident, I thought it was going to work out because my skin tone honestly is light. I just have like a little bit of spots, and I felt like, okay, this would be good, but no, it ain't working for this. So I'm going to use this foundation and show you guys how it works as a concealer, how it can give you this nice full coverage and a nice highlight, a bomb highlight on top of that. So first I'm going to swatch this on my arm, you guys, on both parts of my arm, just to show you guys the color and the tone and the difference, and mainly why I chose this color. So this is the front part of my arm, and excuse me, you guys, I have been breaking out from something chemical at work. It's got my skin breaking out. So this is the foundation stick, you guys. Super cute. Again, very chic, very fancy. Rose gold with black. The foundation stick has quite a bit. It has quite a bit of foundation. This is the ending part right here where this white is. So you get quite a bit, you guys, and if you don't use it every single day, then it will last you a long time, or if you don't cake a lot on it, it'll last you a long time. And I'm actually going to swap it on my arm just to show you guys the consistency and the texture of it. So that's it, swiped on my arm. It's a little thick. I can honestly tell right now that this may not be full coverage because I can still see a little bit of my skin coming through this foundation. I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to swap it on the lighter part of my arm. And this is probably why I got this color, because my face is just about this color. But you guys, it's okay. I can always go back and get more. They still have it on sale for $12.50. So, but yeah, you guys, and put it on to my face as if I was going to do a normal highlight. And yeah. It goes on so smoothly, you guys. I mean, it goes on so nice and just smooth and just, I like it already. Even though I got the wrong one, I like it. Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender, you guys. I'm going to take the pointy end of my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this into my, not blend it into my skin, but smooth it out some. That's nice. That's a nice highlight. Okay. Let's get right here. Under the eye, where I would normally go on with another. That's nice, you guys. Although I do still see a little bit under my eyes where I could have used like an orange corrector, or I could have used orange corrector and a concealer to cover that up. So I would say this foundation is a medium coverage, you guys. It's definitely not a full coverage, but it's not bad. Just looking at this highlight. Okay, you guys, so I would honestly say that this is more of a medium coverage. I can definitely see a little bit of the darkness under my eye, you guys. I'm trying to get my ring light to give me some light here. Just a little bit of darkness coming through. which lets me know that if I was to use this as a regular foundation, I would have to use several layers, which I don't mind doing several layers of foundation on my face, but when it's hot outside and it's summertime, ain't nobody got time for that. So I mean, but it just glides on really nicely. It looks nice as appearance wise. There's a little bit of creasing underneath the eye from it, but it's not bad. It's not horrible. I've had worse, trust me. So I would say if you're a beginner starting out in makeup, I would probably rock this. Or if you just have a skin tone that is dry, or your combination, I would say, you can go for it, you can try it. Or you just have like a flawless skin tone where you don't have any flaws or anything, do it. Because, or you need dark circles, do it, because it's going to look so good on your skin. And that's just my honest opinion. I honestly probably wouldn't buy it as a full coverage concealer, because it's, I mean, a full coverage foundation, because it's not giving me full coverage, and I don't even have it on fully as a foundation. I just have it on as a concealer. So okay, you guys, so this is my finished look right here. I just added like a nice red pop of lip, and then I just did like a little bit of contouring, and add a little bit of like a highlight. You guys, that is my honest review and the demo of that foundation stick in the brow dip. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click the subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.